This question is talking about a tank containing 100 liters of pure water, brine that contains 30 grams of salt per liter. So that's the concentration, right? 30 grams per liter. Of water is pumped into the tank at this rate, and a well-mixed solution exits at the same rate. What happens to the concentration of salt as t approaches, as time goes toward the infinity? So concentration of the salt in the beginning is pure, so the concentration is 0, but salt water is coming in, and I know it's the concentration of water coming in is 30 grams per liter. And then mix goes out. Mix is typically less, it is less concentration coming out, but the salt is being added in here. And so if we're thinking as t goes to infinity, we're thinking all this salt water is replacing the original water, so the original water kind of washes out. So what I'm expecting is that limit of the concentration time t as t goes to infinity should be equal to the concentration coming